In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, open Devices settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Then hit Pair New Device at the top and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Lastly, hit Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. But if you want to disconnect them, you can also do that, this time though, by selecting this gear next to already connected device, tapping on Forget, and selecting Forget Device in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!